Model 2019 Citroen Relay 35L3 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 Van 130 PS Enterprise Body, white, panel van mileage, 116581 MOT, the 26th of May 2024 engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUDA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner, intake has been removed to conduct compression tests. Cylinders 1 plus 3 are down, so will need engine rebuild or replacement. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.